Precision, durability, and performance. These are the cornerstones for success for radar systems, aerospace, defense, and test and measurement. Semi-rigid cable assemblies from HUBER+SUHNER are robust and available with tailored design for customers. Offering high reliability thanks to advanced automation and quality connectors, our semi-rigid cable assemblies support up to 65 GHz, making them perfect with ease of installation and optimal use of space, and convenient to utilize with a compact size that permits use in high-density environments. HUBER+SUHNER manufactures globally, delivering high-quality products, technical support, and meeting customer supply chain needs. Contact us to know more about our semi-rigid cable assembly portfolio.